All right. I think that this will work, though not perfectly, but I'll go from the ring. All right, guys, I forgot to record the class. So here I am. I came back to the office today to record this thing. Well, it will give me some exercises, right? So first, a little review. Bend your knees. Take one step forward, 1 foot forward, parallel feet, and just take the ring up to shoulder height and back. And then up to shoulder height, back, up to shoulder height and back. It's a little bit too, okay. Okay, will work. Okay, so 1 foot forward and shoulder height. Okay, shoulder height, and here forward, shoulders back. Here, in this position, shoulders forward, shoulders back, shoulders forward, shoulder back, shoulders forward, shoulders back. Let that go. Up, shoulders forward, shoulders back. So you, like you're handing the ring. This is the lower border of the scapula. You're mostly activating. Of course, all the borders move. And then down, upper border, forward and back. So you see my elbows are straight. I can look into the ring. And I'm kind of handing the ring and then taking it back. All right, I let that go. Stand. Now we can either do all of the three on the other side, or we can do beginning the swing on this side. But I will do all the angle on the other side. So we change the legs. The other leg is forward, parallel feet. And then we take the ring forward, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, up, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, down, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Okay. Stand. We did both legs, all the three angles of the ring. Now we're going to do the swing. So 1 foot forward, 1 foot forward, ring forward, and forward and back, leave the ring forward and begin the swing. So belly in, belly out, 1 foot lifts, 1 other foot lifts, the heel of the back leg, the front. So that allows you to basically move your ribs around your shoulder blades, because the shoulder blades remain the same unless you bend the elbows. That's why we keep the arms straight, so that the shoulder blade will be completely fixed, and then you move your body with respect to the shoulder blade. If this is hard, you can put the ring on a wall. So I'm going to show that. We are still with the same leg forward. Now we're going to take the arm up, shoulders forward and back, lean them forward. You see, I'm leaning the ring on the wall, and then I'm doing the swing. And that helps me, because I don't have to carry the ring, right? The ring is kind of leaning against the wall. The other, lower down, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back in the direction of the arms. Keep it there. So if you want to use forward, so the ring goes forward, upper border of the scapula goes away from the neck, and I am swinging now. And then go, stand, and walk. So again, now we have the choice of taking the same leg and going back and then swing, or changing legs. I will change the legs. So either directly in the air or on the wall. Now we're going to change legs and do the same thing. So ring forward. See, my fingers are straight forward. They're not grabbing. Straight forward. Other leg. Okay. Here we go. Forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Leave it back. No, no, no. Leave it forward and swing. Right, we're doing the other leg. Okay, a few times. Up, forward and back, forward and back. Keep it forward and swing. And then down, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Keep it forward and swing. Let that go. So we did all the three with the shoulders forward, swinging, keeping the ring where it is. So the idea is you're not taking it forward and then taking yourself with the ring. The ring stays where it is so that you will have a relative movement of your rib cage with respect to the shoulder, as we explained. Now we are going to take it back, the ring back, and we're going to do the 3 levels on the 2 legs. So we start with the 1 foot forward. You have to remember which foot you did. Take the ring forward and back with the shoulders. Leave the shoulders back. And now swing, keeping the ring where it is. If you need to, come next to the wall. Take the shoulders back and swing. So that you know that the ring is not moving. And come up, both feet on the floor, shoulders back, forward, back, forward, back. Keep it back and swing. And then ring down, both feet on the floor, forward and back. Keep it back and then swing, keeping the ring where it is. Let that go. I feel like now, because of all of these muscles that hold the shoulder blade into the rib cage, are now moved and they are softer, so they are not resisting my breathing. My breathing becomes a little higher up. Other leg, now with the shoulders back. So other leg forward, ring to shoulder height, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, back, keep it back, keep it where it is and swing, maybe 3-4 times. Let that go. Up, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward, back. Keep it back and swing. And then take it down, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back, and then swing. Let that go. Let go of the ring and walk a little bit. So that is a review. Okay. Next one. We are going to push and pull on the ring. So when I push, my fingers are straight forward, softly, and I push with the heel of the hand. So I push the ring. And when I pull, I bring my fingers in and I pull on the ring. And it doesn't see, somebody's reacting. So pulling, pushing on the ring. Okay. So we're going to do that with a swing. Here we go. 1 foot forward. Bend the knees, ring forward, push the ring, pull on the ring. And it can be a tiny bit. It doesn't have to be a big deal. Leave it pushed and swing. So the movement will be a little bit less because you're activating muscles. And then let it go. Both feet are on the floor. Align. Align. Feet parallel. Take the ring up to the same level. Pull, push, pull, push. Leave it pulled now and swing. Let that go. Woo. So now we decided to do both the pull and the push on the same leg. Now we're going to do the 3 levels. Same leg forward. Take the ring up. Pull, push, pull, push, pull, push. Remain pushed and swing. You see my ring, I keep it where it is. And now I pull, few swings. And I take it down, push, few swings, pull, a few swings. Let that go. Stand. We're going to do the same thing with the other leg forward. Okay. Take the ring, shoulder height, push, pull, push, pull. Leave it pushed and swing a few times. Now pull, swing a few times. Now take it up, push, swing a few times. Pull, swing a few times. Down, push, swing a few times. Pull, swing a few times. If you want to do it on the floor, I'm just going to show all of the sequences can be done on the floor. I can lie down. I'm going to take 1 foot forward, 1 foot back, and I'm going to push it forward and back. So I take my shoulder towards the floor. Actually, there is a lot of benefit to kind of feel the shoulder blades going towards the floor and away from the floor. You can actually feel them. The inner border kind of going towards the spine and away from the spine. You can feel all that when you're doing it on the floor. And you're keeping everything in this, like away from you. And then you are swinging. So, okay. So when I come back, my back heel is down, the front of the front foot is up, and I arch my lower back. And then when I come forward, the front heel is down, the front foot is down, and the back heel is up. So that's basically it. I keep the ring where it is. So I can do that also with the ring back. The same thing I can do with pulling on the ring and pushing on the ring. So that can be an option. All right, so we finished, I think, all of the arm position with all of the legs position. We finished this. I think this was a, how do you call it? A review. Not sure, but I think it is a review. And now we are going to start with a new material, right? Pushing and pulling, we did that. Very good. Now we're gonna, after you do such a thing, any kind of variation, it's always good to see how did it affect the swing. So left foot forward, right foot back, the feet are parallel, the inner part of the foot is parallel, and we swing. And you feel for yourself, how is your swing? Do you feel the swing all the way to the chest? And then because of all this freedom you got in your shoulders, and the same on this side. Okay, all right. Now we are going to take back your ring. Okay. All right. Okay, take your ring. This is new. Feet are parallel. Take your ring forward. Am I in line with this thing? Let me line it up so that I can see where I'm going. Yeah. Okay, now we have it. Okay. All right. Feet are parallel, knees soft. You take the ring to shoulder height. And now you're going to turn the ring. So the right arm, I'm going to turn the right arm up, and then I'm taking it from the shoulder. So the shoulder comes towards the head, and the other arm, the other shoulder goes towards the floor. So I'm beginning it, not just doing it with the arms, but I'm initiating from the shoulder. And then back, and then back. Now, for people who cannot do this with the arm, that is also true of the other variation. You can keep the ring like that, but take the shoulder a little bit up, like that, okay? So here it is. So we take the right shoulder up, and then we put it back. Right shoulder up, put it back. That's all you have to do. Right shoulder up, and the left shoulder goes down. Keep the head, if you can, centered. Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do such things. You don't have to rotate all the way. Rotate only until here. Again, you can do it on the floor. You can do it just by bending like that. All right. Now what is the option? We continue with the same arm up. So take the ring forward. Take the shoulder up. You see, I'm taking my right shoulder up, left shoulder down. And now from here, so I'm tilted like that, the ring is the ring is turned. The ring is turned, and from here I'm taking only my right arm forward and back, shoulder towards the chest, shoulder away from the chest. So I'll show it here. I'm here, only forward and back, forward and back. Oh, wow, that feels so good. All right, we do the same with the other arm. Feet parallel, ring forward, ring forward. Okay, and now the left arm forward, up towards the chest. So we are taking the left arm up, right arm down from the shoulders. Leave it after a few times. Leave it there, and then take the left arm, the top arm forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Keep the right arm stable. Let that go. So this is asymmetry in the arm. Now we are doing it with asymmetry in the legs. So we do it with asymmetric legs. Okay. So we'll do the same thing. Now, right foot forward. Let's see. Left foot forward, bend the knees. Take the ring. What's going on? Take the ring. And now take the right arm up, left arm down a few times. And then take the right arm forward and back. So the right arm is actually, okay, that's good. So I'm taking my right arm forward and back, forward and back. So I get a lot of twisting. Let's do the left. So take the ring up and take the left arm up. And now take the left arm forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. Let that go. It is easier actually to do it on the left because it's the same leg that is forward, but it might depend on your individuality. Stand. We did both sides. Did we do both legs? Yes, we did both legs with both sides. I'm done with this. I don't remember what I'm doing. In the class, I had somebody who always remembered what variation I did. Okay. We changed legs, right? Yes. And now we're going to rotate the left arm up, right? No. We had the left leg forward, and then we changed the arms. Now we're going to do the other leg forward, the right leg forward. And now we're going to take the right arm up, and then forward and up, forward and back, forward and back, forward and back with stable left hand. And then we are going to do turning the left arm up And then forward and back, forward and back, forward and back with the left leg, with the left arm. Okay, left shoulder. All right, now we did everything. All right, and now it's a good idea to just take the shoulders up and down and feel how it is forward and back. You will feel maybe you have more freedom. And walk a little. Okay. All right, now we are going to take the bottom arm forward. So left foot forward, right foot back. Take the ring. And now I'm going to turn the right over the left a few times. Keep the head where it is. Keep the top arm where it is, and just take the bottom arm forward and back. Ooh. So you're basically turning this ring around the axis that it comes here in between the hands. So try not to use your elbow. Okay, a few times, the harder one. All right, let's do with the right arm, the bottom arm, the ring, and then take the left arm up a few times. Keep the left arm up and take the right arm back and forth. That's this leg forward. Now we are going to do the same thing with the other leg forward. So asymmetry in the arms, and then also asymmetry in the legs at the same time. I'm recording, so that's good. That would be funny if I wouldn't record this. Imagine that. Okay. Now the other arm, the other leg is forward. The right leg is forward for me. You change legs, take the ring forward, and now take the right arm up. Okay, keep it where it is. And now take the left arm forward and back. The lower one. Let that go. Same legs. What? What's going on? Huh? I'm kind of forgetting what is going on. Yeah, I think I have to do the whole thing from the top. Sorry. Oh, right arm forward. So take the right arm up, keep it there, and then take the right arm forward and back. I think that's the first one. Right? And then take it up, roll it to this side, and take the left arm forward and back. Take the arms forward. If it's too much, if I did it already, forgive me. So just do what you need to do. Arms forward. We did the right arm up, now we do the left arm up with the shoulder. With the shoulder, keep it there. And now take the left arm forward and back. And then take the right arm forward and back, I think. Okay, let that go. What else? That's it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Leave your ring and walk. And then come back. Okay. I think now we're doing all of them together. Is it with parallel feet? It's not so clear. All right. Let's do this one just with parallel feet because that's going to be a long thing. I don't know when I started this. Okay, take the arms forward with the ring. Turn and just take the right arm forward and back and the left arm at the same time. A few times forward and back with the right, a few times forward and back with the left, and then both of them. Forward and back, forward and back. Other side, take the arm forward, take the left arm up, and now take the, as the left arm goes forward, the right arm goes back. And you imagine there's a pole here, and you are rotating the ring around the pole with the arms. Okay, and then walk. Okay, now we're going to add the swing to this. Okay. Left foot forward. Take the arms forward. Rotate the ring with the right shoulder up, left shoulder down. And now leave it like that, rotated, swing. Turn it like that. So I keep the ring where it is. If you need the wall, you can put your middle finger at the wall, and I swing. Let that go. Now we will do the left arm. So we are with the left foot forward. Damn it. Left foot forward, ring up. Now the left arm is going up. Okay. The right arm is down. Okay. I keep the ring where it is. Do I take the left arm forward? No, I just leave it there and I swing. With this asymmetrical position of the shoulders. Let that go. Walk. Leave the ring and walk. Okay. Did we do both legs? If you didn't, just do both legs. Let's see if I can take now the arm up. Okay. The ring up. Of course, you can take it to whatever level you want. That's too much. Oh, I have such a narrow. Let me see. Okay. Let's see here. Just need, okay, here we go. Okay. Ring up and take the right foot, right hand forward, left hand back. A few times, rotate the ring. Yeah, I'm gonna bend the knees a little bit. Rotate the ring, and then rotate the ring in the opposite direction. Keep the ring rotated and swing. Take one foot forward. God. Swing. Change legs. Swing. Take the ring down. We did the left forward for some reason. Take the ring up. Rotate the opposite way. Right forward, left back, and swing. And then change and swing. Okay. This is, whenever there's a variation that's too hard, just don't do it, or do it on the floor, or do it against the wall. Okay, so we have two options to lift the ring up. Just to summarize this, you can lift the ring up and then rotate, or you can lift the ring to here, rotate, and then take it up. And it's completely different, actually. The ultimate result is different. So for me, it's easier to first turn and then lift up. So let's just do that on the other side. Take the ring forward, turn, and lift up. Or take it up and turn. Okay. All right. This is a real pain in the neck, this part. Okay. I think that was what we did until now with a ring. Okay. There is more variations, but I don't think I did them in class. We were all on the floor by the end of that. Okay. Now we are going to think about something that is going to prepare us for the next session, and it requires you to watch this movie. So let me just find the movie. Don't know if it's here. Damn it. Let me see if I have it here. That would be great. Oh, I found it. Very good. Imagine I would have to find it later. All right, I'm going to share the screen. Share. All right, we're going to play this movie. This is the pelvis. The camera is above. The whole body is cut off. It's just the pelvis and the legs. Okay. You can stand and try to do the movement by yourself, and as he's doing. So you're going to see how you can keep the leg where it is and the pelvis rotates with respect to the leg, or you can rotate the leg, which is kind of the more normal thing. The distal rotates or moves with respect to the proximal. So it's kind of like a little bit watching this. So here you see internal rotation of the right leg. So the right leg, you can stand next to it and rotate your leg to the right. Keep your pelvis where it is. The pelvis stays where it is. You rotate the leg to the right. Now you can externally rotate the leg. So you take the foot to the outside and back. Now you are rotating the hip. So you're basically internally rotate the right leg. Am I in the right leg then? Yeah. Internally rotating the right leg by taking the hip around the leg. So you turn the hip to the right and then the leg in combination turns to the left. Now you can take the pelvis to the left and you see there is an external rotation in the right leg. This is kind of walking, how the pelvis moves with respect to the legs. The feet are more or less parallel and the pelvis rotate. The pelvis has to rotate slightly in order to take one leg forward. You can see how the pelvis rotates. We didn't look at all of that during the class. We looked at some. So now the pelvis turns a little to the left, so there is an internal rotation on the left side. So when you walk, you're really doing this movement that we are going to do now in the class. Okay, so I'm stopping the share. And this is from Solvents and Glue 1. We keep the feet parallel, left foot forward, and I turn the pelvis side to side together with my upper body, but my knees go forward and back. They don't go in and out. Okay, so keep your knees more or less where they are. Don't twist from the upper body. The whole body, you see, I'm putting one finger on my rib cage and one finger on my frontal hip point to make sure that this distance doesn't change. If the distance changes, if you move the thumbs with respect to the fingers that are on the pelvis, that means that you are changing, you're twisting. We don't want to twist. The body is like one piece, like a cylinder, like a barrel, like a rigid body. And the only movement here is in the hip joints. In the hip joint, not in the spine, not anywhere else, not in the neck. So I move my head also with respect to this. Knees only move forward and back. Same other side. Okay, can do it small, small. I will do it now lying down. We did that on the floor just to get the understanding. We're going to lie down on the floor and take the arms up towards the ceiling like a triangle. You're clapping your arms right above your shoulders. And I'm taking the whole body as one piece. I'm taking one knee forward and I'm turning my whole body, head and shoulders at the same pace as the hips, but I'm not tilting my knee. forward. So the knees stay towards the ceiling. So it's a very small movement. And then you do this movement to the other side. The shoulder is more mobile, so it tends to move more. So you just move the knees like pistons, forward and back, but not side to side, not windshield wiper to rotate, okay? So that do very small, 99% less. The head, your eyes look at the thumbs. The thumbs move the same pace as the pelvis, very small amount. You feel the contact. So you feel the contact moving from side to side on both the shoulder and the hip. Okay. So this is a lot of material. I am sending it to you right now so that you have all the time until Thursday to practice and decide what you're doing. Just take care. Bye-bye.